Selena Gomez returned to her roots, making waves at the premiere of Wizards Beyond Waverly Place in a breathtaking red sequin gown that combined Hollywood glam with nostalgic magic. Her radiant appearance was matched only by the thrill of reuniting with her former Wizards of Waverly Place castmates, bringing fans closer to the magic that defined a generation. On Monday night, Selena Gomez turned heads at the El Capitan Theater as she graced the premiere of Wizards Beyond Waverly Place in a stunning red sequin dress that hugged her curves and featured a daring plunging neckline and a thigh-high slit. A perfect homage to her iconic role as Alex Russo, her look exuded confidence, charisma, and just a hint of nostalgia. With minimal makeup that highlighted her natural glow and a pair of ruby red heels, Selena was the embodiment of elegance, and her megawatt smile reflected her excitement about the revival of the beloved Disney series. Fans and photographers alike marveled at the star, who looked at ease in the spotlight, sharing laughs with former castmates and celebrating a return to the series that helped launch her into stardom. The Only Murders in the Building star, now 32, relished her reunion with familiar faces, including David Henry, Janice Leanne Brown, and Ao Davis, who joined her on the red carpet. Henry, who originally played her on-screen brother Justin Russo, beamed while discussing their new project, describing it as awesome and hinting at scenes that are sure to tug at the heartstrings of longtime fans. He credited Selena's wit and charm, noting that she has such a quick wit that's only gotten stronger. This nostalgia-fueled reboot, Wizards Beyond Waverly Place, promises a blend of humor, magic, and heartfelt moments that both new viewers and original fans will appreciate. Henry revealed that scenes featuring the duo as siblings again will be especially moving, with certain moments that he believes will choke up viewers who grew up watching their adventures. In this new series, Henry's character Justin, now an adult and living a mortal life with his family, finds himself drawn back into the magical world when Alex seeks his help with Billy, a new Russo wizard in need of guidance. Wizards Beyond Waverly Place introduces a fresh generation of Russos, with Janice Leanne Brown as Billy, Mimi Giannopoulos as Giada, Alceo Thiele as Roman, and Max Matenko as Milo, bringing new dynamics to the show's familiar family ties. This exciting storyline allows Justin to mentor the young wizards while grappling with the balance of everyday life, family responsibilities, and the allure of the magical world he once left behind. Selena, who is an executive producer on the show, will make special guest appearances as Alex, offering guidance and wit that remains quintessentially Alex Russo. The series will officially premiere on October 29th on Disney Channel, with streaming available on Disney Plus starting October 30th. Disney Channel will air the first 2 episodes, while eager fans can stream the initial 8 episodes on Disney Plus. Following this, Disney Channel will release 2 episodes every Wednesday, beginning November 8th. The return of the Russo family has sparked excitement among fans, especially with Wizards of Waverly Place still available on Disney+, inviting viewers to relive the original show ahead of the revival's debut. Beyond the world of Wizards, Selena's personal life is thriving as well. Her relationship with record producer Benny Blanco, confirmed in late 2023, continues to be a source of joy for the actress and her fans alike. The pair have shared glimpses of their romance on social media, showing their close connection and fun-loving dynamic. Blanco, who once hinted on the Howard Stern show that he envisions marriage and starting a family with Gomez, referred to her as his best friend and praised her kindness and authenticity. He confessed that being with Selena feels like he's found his perfect world, and in a heartwarming admission, he spoke about his desire to have children, saying, "That's like my next goal." As Selena Gomez shines both on-screen and off, her return as Alex Russo in Wizards Beyond Waverly Place and her blossoming romance with Benny Blanco remind fans of the joy, magic, and excitement she brings to every chapter of her life. With the show's premiere on the horizon and her personal happiness evident, Selena's journey continues to captivate audiences, rekindling memories and creating new ones for a new generation of fans.